secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight all true, yeah. She tied you to her kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she got your hair, and from your lips she drew them hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 it's not someone who can see the light. It's a glow that needs a broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Hvala cure, bile ste odlične, možete